gold chain life, boy. Slim out here living like a Hollywood rapper. Like, damn, boy. Look at that gold chain, boy. How many K's is that, boy? Bugs Bunny would be jealous, boy.
You can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That is dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Hey Ricardo, is this Austin's new box?
Yeah, this is Austin box.
Ah. He always has a knack of buying the shittiest of the shits. Yeah, he buys the shittiest of the shit boxes.
Yeah.
All the time.
Always.
And then you're the one who has to fix them.
Yeah, that's true.
So what was wrong with this one when you bought it? Just needed a belt or?
No, needed the alternator.
Ah. Well, Austin, congratulations on your new piece of shit and your other piece of shit. Why are all of his vehicles in here? Austin has more cars in this shop than customers right now. Like,
And more than Salim.
yeah, more than Salim, and that's rare.
Yeah, that's weird.
All right, so this is Austin's other box. It's got a lot of those. This one's got the nice OEM broken taillight. Comes like that. The Tundra embossed in the trunk, you know, and then, you know, that's the bed. It's a really big bed. It's really dirty. It comes like that. Every truck comes like it's been worked on already. And it's got these fender flares on there. Clearly not OEM. That's aftermarket. You know, hit us up at TooFast for that. What else? I mean, I'm not really seeing any rust on it, so it's not like his usual box that he purchases. But I heard this thing's like a rolling death trap.
Need a 10 mil.
Ah, good luck. At this point, we're just gonna set the timer and we'll see how long it takes to locate the 10 mil.
Oh man, it's missing. Oh shit, I thought I had it. Yo, that camera setup thing you have, dude, it's insane. Don't distract them, it's 10 mil.
We need a whole drawer full of just 10 mils, I swear.
I'm gonna get one, bro. I'm gonna get one. I just organized.
The whole drawer is gonna disappear.
Bro, I've had like 10 drawers of 10 mils. Everything needs organized.
Oh, you found one? Yes! Hey!
What's going on? Is that a cutout for a 50 cal?
So there it comes out on that one, and then the grenade is gonna go here like this to close off this hole
Where's the C4 go?
wherever he desires. Then this gonna have a piece of frosted plexi at the back. This will stay lit up green. This will only light up green when the base hits. But now I have to figure out how to cut into this box so that this closes.
I'm sure you'll figure it out, Rob.
I don't know. This is fucking, I don't know. I'm gonna go inside here right now. You're gonna close this. You're gonna close this on me.
What?
I'm gonna go in here and you're gonna close this.
Can I ask why?
So I can see how far down this thing goes.
Okay. Alright, now how am I gonna open this once you're inside?
I don't think it latches. I was doing it by myself the other day.
Jeez, gold chain life, boy. Slim out here living like a Hollywood rapper. Like, damn, boy, look at that gold chain, boy. How many K's is that, boy? Bugs Bunny would be jealous, boy. Shoo! What's up, bro?
What's going on?
Yo, I was actually just showing the people your gold chain. I told them you were a rapper, so you needed a chain.
No, I just needed a stronger gold chain.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many carats is that?
I changed the sprocket because the sprocket was the tooth were like destroyed.
They look like dentures that were.
Yeah. The chain was bad. It's just the OEM teeth. I didn't upgrade it, but just stronger. And
Okay.
it's good, man. Because I have an upgraded State Street clutch in that. So the chain, like, it really like. But now everything's tightened up and that thing wheelies like a monster.
Jeez.
All I did was ask this guy, how's the Beamer?
I'm gonna cry if you're putting me on camera.
All I asked him was, how's the Beamer? Isn't that all I asked him?
That is all you
how's
asked?
the Beamer?
BMW problems, bro.
Okay, you know what? I kind of understand him.
You know what it is? We don't got the guap for a Beamer these days, alright? You never have guap for Beamer, bro. The Beamer takes the guap from you.
Delete this whole footage.
You know you can't erase yourself, right?
I'm getting a dirt bike and then I'm gonna get a Grom.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta respect that. I respect the
Grom life. I want to bust some wheelies, a safe distance from the floor. And
And at a safe speed.
I want a dirt bike because winter time, like, you know, there's snow on the ground. I want to do some stupid shit. And so dirt bike allows me to do stupid shit. I'm trying to decide if I should get a 125 just because it's gonna be in snow anyways, or just like get a 250 or a 450. Comment below, should I kill myself or not?
That's what he wants you to comment. Should he kill himself or not?
No, man. Comment if I should get the 450 or should stick with like a 125 or 250.
So comment if you want Sean to kill himself. Go check out this episode.
He's not normal. What? Yeah. I haven't figured out what the not normal is yet. But
He bought a new car.
I'm sure it'll come out at some point. And then it's gonna be like, see? I f***ing told you. F***ing weirdo.
Or was it this one?
If you want to see more of this guy, go check out this video right here, Fire in the Booth 1.2. Check it out, check it out. You got a plan?
No. We got an issue. We got an issue.
Paint?
We got an issue.
That's not good.
Okay, I cut this.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Now the tailgate's flimsy as f***. So I got a couple options to reinforce this. right? And if I go on the other side, it's gonna be way flimsier.
This is how flimsy it is. It's not any less flimsy.
No? Okay, shut this now. Why doesn't it latch?
It hasn't been latching before you even cut it.
Yeah, see? Hey, what did I say? Didn't I say that shit?
Yeah, you just gotta figure out with the latches right there what's going on.
When were you gonna tell me this?
Oh, I thought you should have just asked me.
That's what I just finished saying to these guys. I was like, I'm pretty sure this thing didn't latch from before.
Yeah, and then whoever installed this top here, they left a bolt. So we chopped this off to make it just look like a f***ing, not a bolt.
It was better to cut that piece than move this over.
100%.
Right? Because I'm going into both
Okay,
cavities.
cut the other one. Okay, make it nice and clean.
Yeah, I got it off
And
with the
spray
grinder
it. That say, is that black or green underneath?
It's black, but they left the bare metal thing for the shocks.
Paint that too for
I'm
me
gonna
one
paint it
time.
all, yeah.
Paint everything, you know. Let's get this beast looking crazy. Get it finished for next week, hopefully early next week.
Yeah, just gotta give me the LEDs. This was all the f***ery is done. Now that this closes, everything else is good. You know what I realized? We can test these sub boxes. If I had RCAs, I plug the RCAs into the JL speaker box and right into the back of the speaker. That's an amp, no? Are you listening?
Test it? Why do you want to test it? Oh, to test the box?
Test the sub box. Can I go RCAs right from here, output, right into the sub box?
No, that's an input.
Input, output.
The output is just a signal. It's not an amplifier.
That sucks. That would be cool. I can hook it up there. Can you stop putting this f***ing camera in my face all the time?
TooFast TV.
Hey.
Yeah.
He already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't drive. It is what it is.